Are you looking for a healthy weight gain cereals for your baby? Then this recipe is for you. Join me, let me take you step by step on how I made this pap cereals a healthy weight gain for baby and adults too. Let's get right into it. Yellow corn is one of the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe, so I'll just go ahead and wash it thoroughly to remove any bad grains, dirt and dust and stones. So it's advisable to wash your grains separately and not together because they are of different sizes, and so is their stones and dirt they comes with. So if that makes sense, so it's advisable to wash them separately. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again with another recipe that is very good for babies and adults too. If you are new here, hello, thanks for stopping by. My name is Benedict Ebere, and on this channel we'll talk about motherhood, beauty and lifestyle. So consider joining the family by subscribing. You will never regret ever doing that. I have another amazing videos, do well to check it out. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for your support. Thank you for liking and commenting on my videos. I really appreciate. Cheers to more videos. Just a friendly advice: when you are washing all these grains, you have to be very patient with them. Like, before even combining them, you wash it, you sieve it properly to remove stones, because these things comes with stones. Like, it comes with stones. I had to wash mine, and when I was done soaking it, I washed it again. I repeated the process again. So we have to wash it carefully. Not because you want to eat healthy, but in the process you eat stones. It doesn't make sense, especially this millet, guys. Yeah, this millet comes with a whole lot of sand, small sand, so be careful when washing that. In case you don't have such time to prepare these things by yourself, I sell them too. I can help you prepare it to your taste. You tell me what you want, I'll add it, I'll make your order, get it ready for you. I also sell tombrown, soya bean powder and all these baby stuffs. Yeah, I sell them, and they are very affordable. Just send your order via the number displayed on the screen. Yeah, just go ahead and combine all the ingredients and leave it to soak for 3 days before proceeding to the next stage. And on those 3 days, I will change its water every day. In the morning, I will change its water, remove the old one and pour in fresh water. That's basically it. At the end of the 3 days, it should look something like this, well fermented and ready to proceed. I proceeded by grinding it in the commercial blender, and after grinding it was like this. I poured it a whole lot of water to ease the sieving process. Yes, that's another tip to help you sieve it easily and fast. And I started sieving like so. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments, and I will be so glad to answer you. Also use the timestamps to make your viewing easier, so you'll be able to skip to the part that you want the most. This healthy weight gain cereal is so good and very nutritional. It contains a good source of protein, fiber and key vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, etc. Like, very nutritional, making it a very healthy food for your baby and adult too. This one is okay. Can you see the chaff? So clear and done. Now I'll just go ahead and leave it to settle for a few hours. After a few hours, it should look something like this. I'll go ahead and separate the water from the settled pap. Strain carefully so you don't pour your pap. But after it, you bag it. This bag is called Muslim bag or pap bag. You can get all these things from those people selling pap, or you can ask inside the market where they are selling all these grains. They do have it too. Strain by putting a heavy object on top of the bag. This is actually a stone, and after straining it should look something like this. Yeah, so like this your pap is very much ready. Can you see? So dry and good to go. Don't mind the color of my camera that has been changing since. To prepare, mix with cold water to a smooth consistency, then pour in a hot boiling water till it thickens up. For babies, serve with formula, breast milk, soya beans, whatever you want to add to your baby, except for honey and sugar for less than a year old. For adults, serve as desired. Till I come your way next time, stay fabulous. Bye.